That's the view out our hotel window. It's called the Vasco da Gama Hotel, which is kind of cool. So we're in the hotel in Bayona. We're in Bayona.
Yeah, just not.
We're only going to the Playa de los Patos, which is the beach of the ducks, I think. Patos is duck way.
Yeah.
So we're going there. It's about 5k, and then we're getting a bus back to Porto. So it's a short walk today, but it's really beautiful outside. So it'll be nice. Hotel's really nice, like really old school Spanish. Got all our stuff with us this time, and my bag is so heavy compared to before. But once it's on, it's fine, to be fair. Right, let's go. We're back on the road again.
Look at the map.
It's down here.
Look down.
Cut that bit
Take
out.
this hat off.
No, that's good. I like
Still,
that.
it keeps the sun
Yeah,
off.
exactly. The hat has a purpose.
I am getting blotches all over.
Yeah. Back on the road. It's a really beautiful day.
Yeah.
Really nice here. There's like a kind of wetlands thing next to us. Not very far to go, so that's nice. Had a big breakfast, so we're happy. Oh, a little egret. I don't know, some sort of a wading bird. Egret. Little egret. So tiny. Getting another stamp in the little church. There we go. Santa Maria on the bridge. It's a little church. That's where we've been. It's Bayona. You can just see the castle in the distance, or the Parador. That's where we've been. The wetlands behind, and that's where we're going. There's not so many shells now, but maybe they'll come when it's a bit less. I mean, it's kind of obvious though. You just keep the water to that side and keep going. Yeah. This is where we're going. Found a shell, so that's the way. Coming around to this, it's called Playa de las Americas. I think because it looks at the Americas, because I think this is where all the explorers left from and then came back to report their discoveries. That is Playa de las Americas. Looks beautiful. That's the Parador in the castle in Bayona. Over there. And here we're at this playa. We stopped to have coffee and got free churros. Bayona over there, in the mist. We're back on the road, still at Playa de America, and some kids came and sold me some cookies, so that's exciting. I don't know what kind of cookies they're. I'll eat them in a bit. Beautifully sandy. That's where we've been. Made it to Playa de Patos. Just going to walk down, have a look around, maybe eat something, hopefully go in the sea. It looks like a huge sandy beach, so that's great.
Yeah.
Little surf school out there, looks fun. It's cold. The Atlantic is cold. no ducks. Sadly, no ducks. So we've made it. We've done all of our walking, heading back to Porto next. Go and have sangria or a beer.
Oh yeah,
Maybe have some
Sunday
chips.
lunchtime.
Yeah. Yay!